Okay, so let's start exercises of chapter 2. Uh, let's understand section of the exercises. In that, the first exercises of objective type questions. So here, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here, two words are given in the bracket, and that you have from that you have to choose the correct one and write in the blank. So you have to raise your hand for that. Okay. Okay, Haris is already raised. The first one, the blank provide energy to the body. Yes, Haris, you tell me. Haris, hmm? Energy. We are asking, talking about energy. Haris, talking about energy. Protein gives or carbohydrate gives? Yes. Yes, Haris.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. That's very good. Then the next one, Hamna Kashif, you tell me the next one. Iron and calcium are important.
Iron and calcium are important minerals that are needed by
Very
our
good.
body.
Yes, minerals. They are minerals actually. Okay. Everyone write at the same time only. Okay, if you have not written. Then the third one. Aisha Iqbal, you tell me the third one. Blank is the undigested part of the food we eat.
Roughage. Roughage.
Roughage. Very good. Roughage. Now, here, Rushda, you tell me the next one. Blank is a state of complete physical and mental well-being.
Health.
Health, very good. Now the next I'll ask from Afia Inam. Yes. Afia, you tell me the next one is a communicable disease. Obesity
Oh,
or pneumonia. Obesity or pneumonia. Which one? Afia.
pneumonia.
Pneumonia. Pneumonia is the communicable disease. Okay. Now, the next portion of the exercise is write T for the true and F for the false. Here they have not written correct the false statement, but I want that also. Means you should have to correct the false statement. So when the statement will be false, you have to correct at the same time. Now the first one, bananas are good source of carbohydrates. Yes, Hamna, you tell me. Hamna Kashif, you tell me.
Bananas are the good source of carbohydrates.
Yes,
True.
yes, true. Now the next one, should Halima, you tell me the next one. What is not a part of balanced diet? Water is not a part of balanced diet. Halima,
Ma'am, true.
no. Do you think like this? Water is not a part of balanced diet. What is balanced diet?
A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food along with protein and water
Along with roughage and water. Five component of food along with water and roughage. So roughage water comes in that. Anyway, so is false. How to correct the false? What is not a part of balance diet? Water is a part, not you cut. Okay, then move to the next, and that will be told by Maria Khalid. Maria Khalid, you tell me the third one. Proper diet, rest, exercise, and good posture are necessary for a healthy
Yes,
body.
ma'am.
You tell me the third one. Proper diet, rest, exercise, and good posture are necessary for a healthy body. My voice is not coming. Rushda, you tell me. Rushda, you tell me then.
Ma'am, third one.
Yes.
True.
Proper diet, rest, exercise, good posture are necessary for a healthy body. Yes, it's
Ma'am, it
true.
is true.
It's
True.
true. Yes. Now the next one. Yes, Afia, you tell me. Afia, you tell me the next one. Communicable diseases are caused due to deficiency of a nutrient in the body.
False.
It's false, yes. Yes, because the deficiency diseases are not communicable. They are non-communicable diseases. The diseases caused by the deficiency of nutrients. So it's also false. Then the next is goiter is caused by the deficiency of iron. So this Hiba, you tell me. Hiba,
Ma'am, what said?
Hiba, I asked the next one. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of iron.
Ma'am, I need to ask something.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, you said that if it is false, we have to write the statement.
Means correct there only.
We have to.
Listen. Underline that word and correct it. Like water is not a part of balance diet. Here only no, not you just cut. So the sentence is corrected itself. Then
Okay, ma'am.
here communicable disease in place of communicable disease, non-communicable disease. Non you make it, just add non there before communicable, you just write non-communicable. And then goiter is caused by the deficiency of iron, that also falls. So for that you have to underline iron and write iodine. So in this way you correct the false statement. Now the next one, choose the correct options. Which of these do you need to eat for muscle building? Yes, Hiba, you tell me. Hiba. Hiba. Hamna Kashif, you tell me. Hamna Kashif. Which of these do you need to eat for muscle building?
Which of these do you need for muscle building?
Hmm. Which one?
Eggs and meat.
Yes, eggs and meat is the correct answer. Now the next should be told by Halima. Yes, Halima, you tell me. The next one.
Okay, ma'am. Which of these are needed in small amounts of normal functions of the body?
Yes, which of these are needed in a small amount for normal functioning of the body? Yes, out of four, which one is?
Carbohydrates.
Needed in a small amount for normal functioning of the body. Carbohydrate needed in a small amount. Every activity of our
No, ma'am,
body
no, no.
can
Protein.
be.
Protein.
Hmm?
Protein.
Yes. Vitamin and minerals. Okay. Now the next Mariam Mirza. Mariam Mirza, you tell me the third one. Which of
Yes,
these is a
ma'am.
good source of roughage?
Ma'am, what?
You tell me which of these is a good source of roughage.
Ma'am, egg.
Yes.
Milk. Milk.
Roughage. Roughage is plant fiber, you know. The undigested plant
Ma'am,
part.
vegetables.
Vegetables. Yes. Vegetables. So the answer of the
Ma'am, what
third
is
is
second?
vegetable.
Second one.
Yes. Second is
Ma'am,
vitamin
what
and
is second one?
second is vitamin and mineral. Listen at one time.
Okay, ma'am.
Which of these are essential to stay healthy? Now here, Eras, you tell me which of these are essential to fourth. Fourth, fourth. Which of these are essential to stay healthy? Eras, you tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
exercise.
Hmm?
Exercise.
Exercise. Balanced diet is not necessary. Good posture is not necessary.
Ma'am, all of these. Sorry, all of these.
All of these, yes. The correct option is all of these. Now next, Haris Ansari, you tell me. Haris, which of these are common ways in which disease causing germ is spread?
All of these.
Yes, all of these. And then the next, which of these diseases spread through direct contact? Rushda, you tell me. Rushda, Rushda,
Ma'am, with an infected person. Infected person.
direct contact. Which of these diseases spread through direct contact? Which diseases?
Dirty food or water.
Hmm?
Dirty food. Through dirty food and water.
Okay. I skip this question. Which of these are common ways in which disease causing germs is spread? All of these. This was done. All of these. And the sixth one, which of these which diseases is spread through direct contact? Measles and tuberculosis. Measles and tuberculosis. And the seventh one, which of these is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A? Hamna Kashif. Which of these is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A?
Night blindness.
Night blindness. Which of these is caused due to deficiency of iron? Now, with Aksanas, you tell me. Aksanas? Aksa.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Night blindness.
night blindness.
Yes, correct option is night blindness. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now,
of third answer is vegetable.
vegetables.
Of
Yes.
third one.
Third
Yes,
is
vegetable.
yes. The correct option of third is vegetable. Fourth is all of these. Fifth also all of these. Sixth measles and tuberculosis. Seventh night blindness. And now eighth. Which of these is caused due to deficiency of iron? Sabahat, you tell me. Sabahat. Which of these is caused due to the
Ma'am, what is
deficiency?
the answer of sixth one? I did not listen.
Sabahat. Are you
Ma'am,
here in the class, Sabahat?
Ma'am, no.
Yes, Sabahat, tell me the answer of the eighth. Which of these is caused due to deficiency of iron? Very bad. No response. Okay
Ma'am,
then.
writer.
Yes.
Ma'am, writer.
Yes.
Ma'am, anemia.
Anemia. Yes. Anemia is caused due to the
Anemia,
deficiency of
anemia.
iron. Now the next exercise. Move to the next exercise, that is match the column. Column A and B we have to match. So just raise your hand. Yes, Hamna Kashif, you tell me vitamin D should be matched with Hamna Kashif.
Vitamin D should be matched with crickets.
Rikesh, very good. Then Maria Khalid, you tell me. Vitamin B.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Vitamin C, berry.
Berry. Very good. Then vitamin C. Maria Khalid.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Maria Khalid.
Vitamin
C is scurvy.
Vitamin C, are you asking or D?
I'm asking vitamin C.
Vitamin C, ma'am, sweetie.
Scurvy, yes. Then fourth, fat-rich diet. Fat-rich diet is obesity. Yes, obesity. Obesity, yes. Then mosquitoes. Malaria. Yes, malaria. Very good. Now move to the next exercise. That is very short answer question. Give two example of the following. Here, just raise your hand. Sources of protein. Yes, here Haris Ansari. Haris Ansari.
Yes, ma'am.
I ask you the first one. Give two example of the following. The sources of protein. Two sources of protein. You tell me.
Chicken and milk.
Yes. Okay. Good. You can write fish, meat, chicken, egg, milk. So now move to the next. That is sources of carbohydrate. Mariam Mirza, you tell me. Sources of carbohydrate.
Ma'am,
Sources of carbohydrate. Aksanas. Aksa. Aksa.
yes, ma'am.
Sources of
Ma'am,
carbohydrate.
milk.
Sources of carbohydrate.
Rice and corn.
Hmm?
Rice and corn.
Yes, rice, corn, bread, all the cereals, all the sweet fruits. So you can write any. And then the next sources of vitamin and mineral. Yes, Rushda, you tell me.
Milk and fruit.
Yes.
Ma'am,
All of you stop your video. How many times I have to tell you the same thing? Why have you opened your videos?
Egg and milk. Ma'am, egg and milk.
Yes, egg and milk also, but the means the rich sources of vitamins are fruits and vegetables. Now the next sources of fat. If Aisha, while you tell me sources of fats.
And sources of fat is meat, oil.
Oil, butter, ghee, nuts.
Oil, butter, meat, cheese, ghee, cream, dry fruit.
Not exactly cheese. You can write ghee, butter, oil, nuts, or also even. Okay, now the next one, sources of roughage. Mohammad Eraz, you tell me. Mohammad Eraz. Yes? Sources of roughage. Haris, you tell me. Water is not. Don't be confused with it. What is not a roughage? Source of roughage? Roughage is the undigested part of plant food that is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is Yes, dalia, or you can say, write that it's a rich source are vegetables and the fruit.
Ma'am,
They are the
oats. Ma'am, oats.
oats, and these sources of roughage are vegetables and fruits. So now let's move to the next portion. That is, give one word for the following. So this is the second exercise of B part. Here, give one word of the following. Just raise your hand. A diet that contain adequate amount of different component of food. So here, you just Afia Inam. You tell me, Afia, one word for this.
Ma'am, balanced diet.
A diet that contain adequate amount of different component of food. Balanced diet. Yes, balanced diet. And the next is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Hari Sansari, yes, your video is always open only. Haris, you tell me the answer of it.
Health, ma'am.
Hmm. Health. But why have you not, Haris, why have you not stopped your video? When I ask you to stop your video, all are not listening. What is the use of this opening the video? Many time I told you just stop your video. I'm not reading it. Aksa, still you have not. Okay, so a state of complete physical and mental being is health. Now the next one, a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. Aisha Iqbal. Aisha Iqbal.
What is the question?
Third one, a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition.
You are not audible.
Anam Javed. Anam Javed.
A state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy ma'am, it is a healthy exercise. Exercise.
It is disease. Disease. Now the next one, disease that do not spread from one person to another. Disease that do not spread from one person to another. Hmm?
Non-communicable disease.
Yes, non-communicable diseases. Then the next one, disease caused due to the lack of nutrient in the diet over a period of time. Yes. Maria Khalid. Maria Khalid. Maria Khalid. Tell me the fifth one. Disease caused due to lack of nutrient in the diet over a period of time. Hmm? Very good. Deficiency diseases. Very, very good. Yes, deficiency diseases. Now the next, move to the next part of the exercises. That is, answer the following and raise your hand. What is a balanced diet? Quickly. Yes, Afia Inam. Tell me quickly. What is balanced diet? What is a balanced diet?
A diet that contains adequate amounts of different components of food along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet.
Very good. Means all the five component along with water and roughage along in adequate amount. All the five component of the food along with the water and roughage is known as balanced diet. That's needed for the healthy functioning of our body. And the next question, just raise your hand. What is good health and what shall we do to stay healthy? Yes, Aksanas. Aksanas. Second question. Second question. Halima, you tell me. Halima,
Ma'am, I was not getting this answer.
I was not.
I'm not getting this answer, ma'am.
You're not knowing
May
it
I
all.
tell?
Yes, you tell me.
Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. This means that both the mind and the body must be completely fit for a person to be considered healthy. Proper food, diet, rest, exercise, walking, running and playing, and correct posture are essential for staying healthy.
Yes.
Please repeat the answer.
Yes, yes. A state of complete physical and mental well-being is actually health. And what shall we do to stay healthy? We should take balanced diet. We should take proper rest. We should do exercise. We should what you can say, we
Running,
yes.
walking, running and playing, and
That
correct
comes
posture.
actually, in exercise. When you say exercise, it comes in that only. And maintain correct posture, they all are needed for the good health. Now the next question, why should we include roughage in our diet? Give 3 examples of food rich in roughage. Yes, Rushda, you tell me. Rushda, you tell me.
Question 3.
Yes.
Roughage is the undigested part of a plant food. It helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and in proper removal from our waste from our body.
Hmm.
Atta, whole wheat flour, oats, dalia, corn, and cabbage are some good sources of roughage.
Yes, very good. So roughage is what? Roughage is the undigested plant food, and that not giving nutrient to your body, but it help to move the food in digestive tract. So it help to excrete. It help to get rid of the waste from your body. So, and give 2 example. No, here give 3 examples of food rich in roughage. 3 example you can write, cereals. You can write like wheat and corn, or vegetables and all the fruit. They are the good sources of roughage. Now the fourth one, differentiate between communicable and non-communicable diseases. Give 2 example of each. So just raise your hand. Hamna Kashif, you tell me. Communicable and non-communicable. Hamna Kashif.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Communicable diseases. Diseases that can spread from one to another are called communicable diseases. Examples are common cold and pneumonia.
Yes.
Non-communicable diseases. Diseases that do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable
Yes.
diseases.
So communicable diseases are the diseases which can yes, very good, mashallah. So communicable diseases are the diseases which can spread from one person to another, which caused by the germs. And non-communicable diseases, they are not spread from one person to another. And 2 example of each you can give. Communicable, you can give common cold, or you can give this pneumonia. And then non-communicable diseases, you can give scurvy, night blindness, or beriberi. They all comes under non-communicable diseases. Now water deficiency diseases, give 5 example of deficiency diseases and the nutrient they are linked to. So Haris Ansari, you tell me. Haris Ansari. Haris Ansari. Tell me.
What are deficiency disease?
Hmm. Yeah.
Some non-communicable diseases are caused because of deficiency of a particular food component. These are called deficiency diseases.
Deficiency diseases are the diseases which are due to the deficiency or shortage of any nutrient. Some diseases are caused because of the deficiency of a particular component of food. Some diseases are caused because of the deficiency of a particular component of food, that we used to say nutrient. And these type of diseases are categorized as deficiency diseases. So 5 deficiency diseases, you can write any 5, but here in your book one table is there, in that some deficiency diseases names are there. From that you can write night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, anemia. That table you can make in your notebook under the reference of this question. Got it? Now move to the next question. The next question
We have
is,
to make the table in our
yes, yes.
answer down.
Means that the same table, in that you write five name of the diseases they are asking, 5 deficiency diseases they are asking. You write for the 5 diseases and write, means what are the nutrient and all. They just means the, in the same way that is given in your book. The same table you have to make.
Ma'am, where do you find this answer?
It's there on the page number 26. Deficiency diseases table is there. In that, deficiency diseases caused by the lack of and food that contain the vitamin and mineral. So that table you have to make. Now the next question: what are vaccines? How do they help us? So what are vaccine and how do they help us? Tell me. Just raise your hand quickly. Maya Khalid,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer of this.
Vaccines are special substances to prevent specific diseases. They help us to build up resistance in the body.
So vaccines are actually, they are the special substances which used to prevent from diseases, specific diseases. So vaccines are the special substances that used to prevent the specific diseases. And how do they help us? They prevent us from specific diseases. Vaccines help to build up resistance in the body. Means the defense system of our body is made strong by taking the vaccine. Our body is also having the defense system. So some fighters are there in our body to protect from the what you can say diseases or the germs or the foreign bodies. So vaccines help to build up resistance in the body. Means vaccines help to make our body strong. Okay. Now I think these are the question answers. They all are done. And now move to the next page, that is page number 33. In that, let's recall portion is there of the exercises. In that, concept map is there. In concept map, there are some boxes are filled and some you need to fill. Means that should be done by you. So now just raise your hand. Component of food, 2 are already written and 3 we have to write. So tell me the other three name. Hamna Kashif. Hamna Kashif.
Carbohydrates, fat, minerals.
Yes, very good. Carbohydrate, fats, mineral, because protein and vitamins are already written. And the next concept map, types of diseases. Types of diseases. Here Yes, Haris Ansari, you tell me. Haris want to tell? Anam Javed. Anam Javed. Type of disease?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases.
Very good. Example of communicable diseases?
Ma'am, example of them.
Hmm?
Ma'am, example of communicable and non-communicable.
Communicable diseases, pneumonia, and non-communicable diseases, you can say very night blindness, scurvy. Anyone?